How to edit Facebook avatar. So in order to do that, head over right here to your three lines, then scroll down right here until you can see avatar. If you can see it, you can head over and click on see more. Click on this avatars right here, and then this will load this. Now this will open in here your camera. You can also just skip it, use photo that you already have available. Now you can choose a skin tone for your avatar. So let's choose this, click on next, and then you can choose in here the hairstyle if you want. So for example, for this one, let's head over and choose this right here. And then click on next, and then it will also ask for your hair color. Now click on next again. Now it will ask for the body. So let's choose this one. Or you can also choose another one if you want to as well. So from in there, once you have chosen your body, click on the next right here and then choose your clothes. So they have female clothes as well as male clothes right around here. So for this one, I'll head over and then choose this. And then for this one, you can click on this more personalization, or you can also click on done. So for this one, I'll just click on done. Then it will load me to this, and as you can see, it's now creating my avatar. So once it's been created, you can head over and then customize it to your liking again if you actually want to. Now this will load this, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So that's how you edit Facebook avatar. Hope we helped.